Good morning, class. From today onwards, we are going to start your new chapter, that is a sound. Okay, so sound is very important for all of us. Without sound we cannot imagine our life. You know that when you are coming to the school, you always waiting for one sound, that is a hooter, है ना, in our school. So whenever this hooter sound, you all feel happy that the period gets over. So because of this sound, you know that the period is changed. Now some other teacher will come, might be your favorite teacher is going to become. So this sound is very important. Because of this sound, we are easily able to communicate with each other. We are easily able to identify the different kind of object and different kind of things. So actually the sound is very helpful for us. Now, how do you come to know that a period is over in our school? You come to know easily that someone is at your door when he knocks, or you hear the sound of the doorbell. Most of the time you can make out that someone is approaching you by just hearing the footstep. ठीक है? Like when you are watching horror movies, each and every sound is very important, like when the door opens, when the door shuts, yeah, the sound of the night time or the birds. Okay, see, every sound is important. Okay, you might have played a game called hide and seek. So hide and seek mein what are you doing? You are hiding somewhere else and you're just telling the name of your friend, and your friend is identifying you actually from where the sound is coming. Same, what happened if there is no sound? What about the instrument? You know that this instrument is giving you a very pleasant sound, so the sound of each and every instrument is something different. Okay, so in this game a person is blindfolded and has to catch the remaining players. How is the folded person able to guess which player is close to her? Sound plays an important role in all our lives. It helps us to communicate with one another. We hear a variety of sound in our surroundings. So now make a list of sound you hear in your surrounding. Like for early in the morning, you hear your mama sound, that mama is saying to you, now wake up, do your work, go to the washroom, wash your face and all. Okay, you hear the sound of alarm, you hear the sound of the hands and all, or the birds. Okay, you hear the sound of your neighbors, the different kind of sound you listen every day. In the music room of your school, you hear the sound produced by the musical instrument like flute, tabla, harmonium, and each and every instrument have the different or special sound. And without seeing them, after some time you will be able to identify that this is the harmonium sound, this is the tabla sound, this is the drum sound. Okay, how is sound produces? Now this is a question. How does it travels from one place to another? How do we hear sound? Why are some sound louder and some others are slower? We shall discuss such question in this chapter. So first of all, I'm just going to give you the answer of the first question, that how is the sound produced. So basically the sound is produced by the vibrations. Okay, so now let's start the chapter. This is just a little bit introduction about the chapter, and after that we are just going to discuss that how actually the sound is produced. So sound is produced by the vibration. Now, touch the school bell when not in use. What do you feel? Again, touch it when produces sound. Can you feel it vibrating? Okay, now do one thing. Just take one stick and take one plate from your home and just try to beat that. Okay, after beating them, you see that you are getting the vibrating sound. Yeah, take one rubber band in your hand and just stretch a string one time, and after that you will see a small vibration in that rubber band. So these are the vibration, and the sound is produces because of this vibration. Okay, so vibration is very important. When a tightly stretched band is plugged, it vibrates and produces sound. When it stops vibrating, it does not produce any sound. The sound is produces through the vibrations. Okay, so these are the activity which you can do at your home. Okay, so easily activities है, like you can beat anything, you can beat any table. Okay, so you hear the vibrating sound. Okay, here you can see this activity. ठीक है, take some glass and just fill the water in the different levels, and when you beat this with the string, and you see that the each and every glass is producing a different sound because of the air fills inside it. Okay, so you do this activity. Now sound produces by humans. How we are producing our sound. ठीक है, so speak loudly for a while, or sing a song, or buzz like a bee. Put your hand on your throat as shown in this picture. Do you feel any vibration? आपको क्या करना है? You have to touch your throat. ठीक है? In humans, the sound is produced by a voice box that is called as larynx. Put your finger on the throat and find a hard bump that seems to move when you swallow. This part of the body is known as your voice box. So our voice box is known as the larynx. It is at the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for passage of air. So you can see here, these are the two different sacs are there, and basically in these two sacs basically this air is trapped. Okay, so in this सैक बेसिकली आपकी क्या होगी, हवा भर गई, एंड दिस एयर इज प्रोड्यूसिंग द वाइब्रेशन एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज वाइब्रेशन you are getting the sound. Because of these vibration we are able to produce the sound. When the lungs force air through the slits, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the two cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type or quality of the voice is different. From that, when they are loose and thick, let us see how the vocal cord function. ठीक है, now we will do this activity 13.6. for knowing that, तो आपको क्या करना है, you have to take two rubber strips of the same size, place them two pieces one above the other and stretch them tightly. Now blow air through the gap between them. As the air blows through the stretched rubber strips, a sound is produced. You can also take a piece of paper with a narrow slit and hold it between your fingers as shown in. Now blow through the slit and listen to the sound. Our vocal cord produces sound in the similar manners. ठीक है, तो you can do this activity easily, or in the live class I will show you this activity. ठीक है, तो this is how actually the sound is produced. Okay, now another video we will study about how the sound is actually actually propagating, actually goes from one place to another place. Now what is your work of today? That you have to write in the left side that how a sound is produced, and you have to make the picture of your voice box in your classwork copy.